Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can see the traffic of each page at its own. So the last time we did a traffic, and now we will see each page and how much views and how much time even the viewer is spending in that page. So what you have to do first is go open your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and after doing that, this page will be opened for you. I will show you in two methods. The first method, which is on the WordPress that I'm using right now, and the second method, which is on the latest kind of versions of WordPress. So now let's go ahead and go to plugins, and from here we will do add new, and make sure that you have this Google Kits plugin downloaded on your PC or on your website. So click on here, download, and then click on active. After you activate it, it will be shown in this bar in here. Click on Site Kits, and from here you can connect your Google Analytics part of your setup and sign in with your Google account. You have to do this in order to see each detail about your website. The other method, which is going to users, and from here you will see each user, how many posts does he see and read or create or whatever he's done in your website. The fourth method, which is going directly to your website, and let's check if this one helps. Also this one helps, but we have to add connect model setup website, so we will have to click and save, publish a blog, save and continue, connect and it will take a lot of time, so make sure the phone record during authentication. Okay, this plugin need actually an update, so it will not work for us. So let's go ahead and open the new version for WordPress. So we go on stats, and here we'll see each views and each likes and every single detail. There is the post and pages, view details, how much views, how much stuff they have seen, how much time did they spend, and a lot of information. So I guess that's how you can actually see every page views. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.